My name is Mario Flores. This is Rasan Tower. We are with the Biomedical Engineering Project here at St. Philip's College. Today's demonstration will be on the HillRom Bed 1000. Please ensure you are following the proper safety procedures and using the proper personal protective equipment per your manufacturer's manual and following facility's standard operating procedures. The HillRom Bed 1000 combines patient safety and comfort features in an easy-to-operate solution engineered to meet medium to low acuity needs. It is designed to help caregivers maximize efficiency and safety by use of a one-bed control that moves patients in and out of the chair position at a low safety. Ensure you check for general cleanliness. Look for bodily fluids, loose gear, clean linens, and accessories, and ensure that you check the surrounding areas of the bed and mattress and the surrounding floor. The loading of the patient should be at the lowest possible position of this bed to ensure that you can load and unload into a wheelchair or an accessible chair for a patient. The safe working load for this bed is 500 pounds. Do not exceed 500 pounds. Now we'll cover general controls. As you can see here, we have a display panel that has functions to move the bed up, down, and move the knee and foot up and down, and head and back. We'll demonstrate. To bring the bed all the way down, as you can see here, the flat panel itself is up and down control, the head and back up and down control, and the knee and foot up and down control. As you can see here, to raise the bed, come to the control panel. As you can see here, press the up button. Now what you're doing here is ensuring that the patient's already loaded, and you want to bring it to waist level so that you can operate the bed and also talk to the patient and find a position to where they have a comfort. Going on, you can raise the head and back by pressing this button here, up or down. So we'll demonstrate. You want to bring it up to a certain degree, whether the patient's installed or not, just to change the functionality. As you can see here, the knee and foot raised as well. As such. Again, the control panel has some extra features. As you can see here, there is a chair, a flat, a decline, and an incline. This bed also has a control feature for the patient. So you can see here, we have an external control panel, and it has the same features. Head and back, knee and foot. The patient controls these items. Now we're going to cover safety features for this HillRom Bed 1000. So you can see here, there's a red handle. There's also a lock button for the control panel, and brakes for the bed. This handle operates to ensure a quick and easy way to drop the bed to a safe working level, as demonstrated, for the doctor or nurses to work on a patient. Continuing on, there is a lock function on the control panel to ensure the patient's control panel gets locked out so that the patient cannot move the bed, and also that the position in whichever it's set is locked as well, and the control panel does not operate unless the lock button is set to unlock. I will demonstrate. To set the lock, depress the button.
Hold it and press.
Choose the position you wish to lock, and it will lock the position of the bed so that it will not be able to operate. As you can see here, the lock is enabled, and we have a LED to indicate, which is the green lock. To disable, simply depress the button, select again. As you can see here, it's flashing. That means it's unlocked. Continuing on, let's go to the brakes. Brakes are at the bottom of the bed. So you can see here it's indicated by a orange and green foot switch. The foot switch operates in two positions, a neutral and an unlocked. The next position, to lock position, is back down. It locks the bed. Now we will demonstrate the handrails. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 handrails that are set to the bed, and we have 2 that are removable. The head and the foot. To actuate the handrails, there's a lock mechanism here with a black handle. Simply lift up, rotate the handrail down, and it sets it to the lower position. You can do this all the way around the bed to access the patient in and out of the bed. It also features some accessories, and as you can see here, these are for the IV poles, which are not to exceed the weight limit of 25 pounds, and the ISS poles, which are not to exceed 20 pounds. You can also install an oxygen tank with its own accessory itself, and it is to not exceed 30 pounds. Continuing on, the bed itself has a few dimensions that we will cover. The bed height has a low position floor to top of deck is 15.75 inches. The high position floor to top deck is 32.5 inches. The sleep deck has a width of 36 inches, and the normal length of the bed is 80 inches. The overall width is 40 inches. The overall length is 90.04 inches. Again, hello viewers. My name is Mario Flores. This is Rasan Tyler. We're with the Biomedical Engineering Project here at St. Philip's College. Thanks for watching.